What's good, world? It's your boy Twin Bitty Buds back at it again. Mail call. I think these are my Air Jordan 4 Black Hats. I didn't get to buy them on the website. I had to buy it on the secondary. That means I had to go to StockX or GOAT. So my brothers went there for me. I don't know which one. I think StockX, maybe GOAT. These are it. What's that, man?
Some kind of coupon.
Some coupon?
Let me see.
What is that, babe?
DoorDash.
Oh, DoorDash? Okay.
40% off.
30% off?
40.
Okay, cool. We'll use that later. Yep. Air Jordan box. I never owned a pair of Air Jordan 4s in my life. This would be the left shoe. Front. Oh, okay. Front. Side. Back. Air Jordan, Jumpman, right?
I don't know, I can't see it. It's all black. It just says Nike.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. It's a Nike swoosh.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad, y'all. The other side. Oh, it is from StockX, y'all. Yeah. That's the tongue.
Yeah.
Okay. That's the mask. That's the right shoe. Front. Side.
Yeah.
Back.